Seven Lakes undefeated in district play, hosting Tompkins, who is fourth in district. In the second quarter, the Falcons' Luke Cough-rin finds BB Knight in the corner, and Knight has a quick release for three. Tompkins trailed by three. Closing in on the half, and watch Josh Akpovwa get the steal at midcourt, and the big man dribbles down, takes the Euro step, switching hands, and knocks down the layup. Nice. Spartans up by 6 at halftime. Moving to late in the fourth, and the Spartans down by 1. But Ashwin Nair hits the huge three, and Seven Lakes is up 46-44 with 2:30 left. It's all tied up at 46 apiece with under 15 seconds to play. Knight drives the ball right down Main Street, dishes to Cough-rin for the layup, and it's 48-46 Tompkins with 9 seconds to play. Last chance for Seven Lakes now. A.J. Bates tries to draw the foul at the top of the key, doesn't get the call or the shot, and Tompkins hands the Spartans their first district loss, the final 48-46.